Hi, thank you for joining us for the Great Beginning Summer Institute next week. This is just a quick video to show you how to use the event app to figure out where you should be on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The first thing you should know is that you need to figure out your cohort because the cohort is the group that you will be attending those sessions with throughout the week. And your cohort is based on what you'll be teaching next year. So if you're teaching a grade level or your content area, that's the group that you are going to be working with all week. So that's the cohort session that you want to look for in the schedule. So I am accessing the event app on my web browser. You can also access it on your phone. It looks a little bit different, but the steps to get to where you're going are the same. And so I'm just going to show you on the web browser. Again, it looks very similar on the phone. So I want to start by going to the schedule. And what you'll notice when you go to the schedule initially is that it starts you on Monday. So if you look up here, you'll see there's Monday, there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday, there's Thursday. And you have to click on each date in turn to find that date's sessions. So I'm going to be here on Monday. As we said, Monday is fully virtual. So what you're going to want to do is find your cohorts or your cohort sessions so that you can find the virtual session link. And so I'm going to use the search bar to find the sessions that are appropriate to me on Monday. So let me start with the search bar here. So let's say that I'm a social studies teacher. I'm going to search social studies. There we go. All right, so I have a couple of options. If I'm an experienced teacher, so I'm coming with 1 or more years of experience to FCPS, I'm going to go with the ETE Social Studies cohort. And if I'm a first-year teacher, I have less than a year of experience, I'm going to go with the first-year teacher cohort, the Year 1 cohort. And to find the link to my session, all I'm going to do is click on the session itself. And then you'll notice at the top here, there's a button that says click here to join. And when I click that button, it's going to take me to the Zoom room or the Google Meet room where my session will happen. So to figure out where I'm going on Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm going to do the same thing, except that I'm going to go back to the schedule and I'm going to click on Tuesday and I'm going to look at Tuesday sessions. And this time here, I'm going to clear that search real quick. And this time, I'm going to show you how to use the filter. So I'm going to click on filter, and I'm going to click on tags. And let's say I'm a second grade teacher this time. So I'm going to click on second grade and apply. And all of the sessions that are for second grade teachers are going to pop up here. And what you'll notice for the elementary sessions is that we've grouped the grade levels 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. And then we've also grouped them by region. So in this example, let's say I'm a second grade teacher and I'm a first year teacher. So I want a Year 1 cohort. And let's just say that I am a teacher at Shrevwood Elementary, which is in Region 2. I'm going to find the cohort session that's for grades 1 through 3, Year 1, Region 2. I'm going to click on that. And then you'll notice when you go to this, instead of saying click here to join for a virtual session, it actually has the school at which my cohort will meet. So in this case, Columbia Elementary. And so I know now, okay, I'm going to Columbia Elementary on Tuesday. And then you would just do the same thing for Wednesday to find your session for Wednesday. And so you'll essentially follow the same strategies to find any other sessions you might be interested in. So for example, if you're interested in visiting one of our vendors, let's say you want to visit Apple Federal Credit Union, you can use the search tool to search Apple, and then you can see, oh, they're going to be available between 11 and 1 and 2 and 3:30 on Monday, and then on Tuesday, they're available at other times. And you can again go into their session and find their virtual links as well. I hope this has been helpful. Of course, please reach out if you have any further questions.